Do you remember 2021, the year Shiba Inu turned ordinary people into millionaires overnight? If you had invested just $100 in SHIB during its early days, you could have been sitting on more than $1.2 million when it hit its all-time high in October 2021. That insane run from fractions of a cent to becoming one of the biggest names in crypto history made Shiba Inu the face of meme coin madness. But here we are. October 2025. And the question everyone's asking is, can Shiba Inu do it again? Can it repeat history and create another generation of crypto millionaires? Let's dive into what's happening right now, the price, the news, and the predictions that could decide SHIB's future. Right now, Shiba Inu is trading around 0.0000124 USD, holding strong after a few weeks of sideways action. Its market cap is near $7.3 billion, and daily trading volume is still hovering close to $300 million, showing there's still life in this market. But here's where things get interesting. Big news this week. The Ethereum bridge on Shibarium, SHIB's own Layer 2 blockchain, has been successfully restored after that $4 million exploit earlier this year. That means liquidity is back, confidence is returning, and the network is alive again. Meanwhile, the Shiba Inu team is teasing major updates for SHIB, the metaverse, a project connecting NFTs, gaming, and digital land staking. They're aiming to build a true Web3 world beyond memes, something that gives SHIB real utility. And let's not forget the whales. On-chain data shows that major wallets have increased SHIB holdings by over 8% in the last 30 days, quietly accumulating while the crowd stays uncertain. That's usually the calm before a storm. Plus, SHIB burns continue. Over 110 billion tokens were burned in the last quarter alone, each burn tightening supply and adding fuel to future price spikes. Right now, SHIB sits on key support around 0.000012 and faces strong resistance near 0.000013. This range is tightening, like a spring ready to explode. If bulls break above that 0.000013 mark with strong volume, we could see the start of a major breakout, just like the early stages of the 2021 rally. And this time, it's not just speculation, it's backed by Shibarium, NFTs, and real community-driven growth. All right, let's talk numbers, because that's what everyone's waiting for. Target 1. Conservative path. If SHIB continues steady growth with token burns and active Shibarium adoption, analysts expect it could climb to around 0.000016 to 0.000018 by the end of 2025. That's roughly a 40 to 50% increase from where we are today. Target 2. Bullish scenario. If Bitcoin rallies, retail investors return, and meme coins reclaim their glory, SHIB could reach 0.000025 to 0.000030. That's nearly a 3 times move, and history tells us SHIB can make that kind of leap. Target 3. Extreme bull run. If everything aligns, whales, burns, market mania, and full-on FOMO, then some analysts whisper about 0.000050 to 0.000060. That would be a 4 times to 5 times explosion from current levels. Crazy? Maybe. But remember, this is SHIB we're talking about, the same coin that once turned $100 into a small fortune. So, can Shiba Inu make people rich again in 2025? It might not recreate 2021's insanity, But SHIB still has one thing that keeps it alive: its community. Millions of holders across the world who still believe this little dog has one more big run left in it. From a joke, to a global brand, to a multi-billion-dollar ecosystem, SHIB's story isn't over yet. But remember, this isn't financial advice. It's just my perspective on one of crypto's most legendary coins. Now, I want to know your take. Do you believe SHIB will explode again, or is its best run behind us? Drop your prediction in the comments, and let's see who gets it right when this next bull run hits.